Okay, so I just went through Buc-ees because I wanted to see what the car wash was like here. Well, there you go. That's what it looks like. It said on the gas pump, it said if I press the works, which it said $16, then I got $1 off gasoline. But Buc-ee's gasoline is $2.79 cents. 79.7 whatever. Original price $2.799 per gallon. So let's see, discount per gallon $1.888. Total fuel $25 plus $16 for the works, $41 to get to go through Buc-ee's drive-through. Have to think, okay, I got 14 gallons even worth of gasoline. If I'd have gone to HEB, it would have been I think it's $2.40 a gallon now. Say it's $2.50 a gallon. Good God, how am I going to figure this out in my head? 25. It'd be $36. About $36 for gas, and then $10 for car wash. Yeah, so I guess it was cheaper coming to Buc-ee's because I had that. I was so low on gas. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been as cheap. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. It's one of those nice long drive-through. It's really long. So if, that's the point, if gasoline, if the car is low enough on gas, then it'd be worth coming here. Or, no, if I wanted a better car wash at HEB, then I would still be paying almost $14. It's 12 something, I think, for the top grade, or maybe more than that. So come down to it, it may be worth. Is that guy leaf blowing out in the dirt, and I'm getting ready to drive out there? I'll run his dumb ass over. Anyway, it may be worth coming up here to get gasoline, even at the discounted, more expensive discounted price. That kind of makes sense. All right.